Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. So I finally got in my Ofra and Samantha March collab. I did try to order this off the Ofra website, but by the time I got on there, it was already sold out. So I just waited till the next day and it came available on Ulta, so I ordered it here. So if you're interested in seeing these in action, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's look at this. It says Life's a Draft here in the sticker, and on the back it has the Ofra by Samantha March, and it has the names of the eyeshadow colors and the face colors, and it says make every draft count in this mini full face palette created by Samantha March. With mysterious mauves, romantic pinks, and dramatic mattes, looks will come together to rave reviews. Featuring an all-new highlighter, Dream Chaser, which is a pink champagne neutral. Add this lightweight, magnetic, and refillable palette to the top of your bestsellers list. So let's go ahead and open this up. I kind of don't want to break the sticker, but I got it so that it still says Life's a Draft here, and this is what the palette looks like. And it comes with this plastic shield that I'm going to take off. And it doesn't have a mirror inside, but this is what the palette looks like. So these are my kinds of colors. Now this is the first time I'm going to be using Ofra's eyeshadow palettes. I have used the highlighters before, but this is a new highlighter that she made. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I'm going to go across this way and then this. So here's the first row. They do feel really soft. Then here's the second row. And these are palettes that you can take out the singles and put in different eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadow singles in there. So that's the eyeshadow palette. Now let's try the face palette. Now here's the face. The blush looks so pretty. And here's the face. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's go ahead and try this palette out. I'm going to bring you in closer. I do have my face on already and my eyebrows. But let's see, how should we do this? I'm going to go into this first color right here, and I'm going to use that on my, whoa, it's powdery. And let's make sure I don't have any creases in my eyelids. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade. And I'm using my Refer number 15 brush. I did get the new Refer brushes in, but I haven't had a chance to wash and use them yet. Okay, so it's got some pigment to it. I am able to blend it out nicely, which is good. It's not skipping where my eyeshadow likes to skip sometimes, like right here. So that's good. And I do have my eyes primed with the P. Louise Eye Base in O2 Rumor. Okay, then I'm gonna go with the number 14 brush. And let's see, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. And I'm going to use that on the, see, look at how much it picks up. On the outer V, and I'm just going to kind of stamp that in. Ooh, look at how pigmented that is. I will blend that out in a second, and then bring that into the lid, or into the crease, just right there. Then I'm going to go in with the flat brush, and I'm going to go into this color right here, and I'm going to use that on my lid. And just blend that in with the deeper mauve shade that I put on. That looks like a purple. Oh, I'm liking that. Just deepening out the outer V once again. And then let me go ahead and tightline my waterline. Well, before I do that, let me put, I'm going to take this shade all the way throughout my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with my Refer number 23 brush, and I'm going to go into, let's see, let's try this deep purple, and I'm just going to do that on the outer, upper, and lower third of my, oh, I have fallout there. I forgot to tap it out. So I will brush that out just on the outer third of my upper and lower lash line. Okay, let's see if this will wipe off. Okay, it wiped off. So let me go ahead and tightline my waterline, put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. Let's try out these face products. I'm going to go in with the bronzer first. I'm going to use my Refer number 24 brush, and I'm going to go right into the bronzer. And I'm gonna stamp that in where I would normally put bronzer on. Well, that's pretty. So the side with bronzer, the side without. Yeah, I like that. It's a little more red than I prefer, but it's still good. And it's not picking up my foundation and powder and all that good stuff. Get it under my chin, the nose. This might be a little too. Okay, then I want to go in with the highlighter. And for the highlighter, this is the new highlighter that Samantha created with Ofra. I'm just going to take my little brush and I'm going to stamp that. Ooh, look at how bright that is. That's pretty bright, huh? It's a little icier than I prefer, but that's okay. I'll make it work. It does take the attention away from my hyperpigmentation, doesn't it? Put a little bit down my nose, on my cupid's bow. Okay, and then let's try this blush out. For the blush, I'm gonna use the 05, and I'm going into the blush right here. See, it picks quite a bit, and I'm gonna stamp that onto my cheeks. Oh, that's pretty. It goes beautifully with this set, and it's mixing well with my blush and highlighter. I will say this highlighter, it emphasizes my texture right there. And I don't necessarily notice that with other highlighters. See right there how everything is emphasized? That's not normal for me. Okay, so there's that. Now let's go into the lip products. So she came out with 3 lip glosses, and this Millie one is one that she had before. But these are the Stay Squad Ready in this trio of blinging glosses created by Samantha March. These super comfy, never sticky and glitzy glosses can be worn solo or over lipstick for ultra lusciousness. So I'm gonna take these out and let's go ahead and swatch these. This first one is Peony and it's got kind of like a pinky tone to it. So let's swatch that on the lips. Oh, they're comfortable. So that one's Peony. I don't see any glitter specks in there, but it is super shimmery. Let's try the other ones. Okay, this next one is Millie, and it came out with her last collaboration with Ofra. And there's that color right there. That looks icy. Ooh, too icy for me. Ooh. Okay. I'm not a fan of this one. Maybe over on top of a lipstick. Maybe my daughter will like it. It looks like it's got blue and purple reflex. Now the last one I have is Queen Lip. This is probably going to be my favorite. Let's swatch that right there. That's Queen Lip. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. So this one is Queen Lip. This is my favorite. This is my first time trying the Ofra lip glosses. Okay, let's talk about these products. This eyeshadow palette is so Samantha. She's really into purples and I like the look that I got out of this. I could see myself using this on like on an everyday, going to work, whatever, going to brunch with my girlfriends. And the palette did work on me, the face palette. The only thing is that the highlighter seems to accentuate my texture right in here. Which is interesting because it's not on this side, but I must have more texture on this side. But otherwise, this is a pretty good palette. I do like the blush color. The bronzer is not my favorite because I prefer bronzers that are more neutral leaning, not red leaning. But I would definitely use this again. As for the glosses, this is my first time trying the Ofra glosses. These are really pretty. I'm not a big fan of Millie, but I'm sure my daughter would like these. But I do like these two a lot. They're super comfortable. They're not too thick and goopy. And they feel very moisturizing. So I recommend these two if they come separately. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your comments down below. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.